Good morning, it's Boxing Day and we're going to be setting off soon. I've got some jobs to do first. The water needs cleaning out. So I've just got the mix on the ready to go and get in, and then I can flush the water system through. I'm going to try and get some insulation in that front door because we're heading north and it's already snowy and minus temperatures, and then it's pack the van up and go.
Hello.
Hello. What day is it? Holiday day.
Holiday.
Things I didn't mention the other day. Let's go inside. Right. What can you see? What can you not? I fitted a charger. I did get the Fogstar 40 amp one. And I fitted it, but it was having issues. It would only charge for a little while. It wouldn't get up to full charge, and it would then cut itself off. You'd have to reset it and begin charging again. Apparently on the forums it's a known issue, so I contacted Fogstar. I purchased it from them. They were very good, and they got me the 30 amp out because I did say I was going up north and I need something reliable in case we need power and we're not getting the sun. We are getting the sun today, but yeah, they sent me the 30 amp hour one out, and that's fitted in now. It goes into my main junction box and down into my negative junction box over there, but that's in. That runs straight away when it's plugged into the mains, and I'm going to plug into the mains now and get some charging. I'm going to get some cleaner in here as well first. Oh man, there we go. Woohoo! Okay, I mean there's nothing in there, there's no signs of any algae or anything. There you go, nice and clean, but we've not run it for a while, so I've mixed some of the Pura Clean up and that's going in, and then I'll fill it up and flush it through. There we go. Right, so in the back I've got, for temporary now, the fuel tanks fixed up there, pumps and stuff mounted to the side down there, filter, everything's working perfect. That's the max speeding rods one we ended up going for. I've just turned that tap on and soaked all this floor that I need to get in and out of. Let's dry that off. There we go. So I've got some water in the tank now. I'll take that for a drive in a minute. I've got this is heating, and then I'll flush that through. So I'll turn the immersion off in 5 minutes when it clicks off. The charger, oh, we tripped. He ran the Hoover. Right, so the charger is running perfectly. I'll leave a link to Fogstar. They've been really good to get it out to us in time for me to fit to go away. It arrived on Christmas Eve and I got it fitted, so that's in. At the moment I've just got the straight through into the main living area for the heating. I've got my junction ready to come off when I set out my hot water heater for here, so that'll spin round into the heat exchanger, and I'll figure a way to board that up and sort everything out. And everything is working as it should. Okay, so what else? So I'm going to flush the water through in a little while. That stuff's just in, but I don't think there was anything in there. And I'm just going to try and get some insulation in the front now. Okay, this top section was a pig. I ended up having to use tin snips to cut a hole in here to get some insulation packed in and down there. And then what I've done, it leaves really sharp edges, tin snips, is I've covered it back in with the sound deadening mat for now, just to cover all the sharp edges up, because it is very tough, that sound deadening mat. So that's over for now, and that's going to have to do because I'm not going to have time to make that piece that's going to go up there. Down here I've got my sound deadening in, and I'm about to start packing some insulation in. Then I can put the door card back on, and that's going to be about it really. As long as I've got some insulation in, I've got the curtain to go over. So I've given the sleds a wash, they'll be going in. He wants to take his scooter as well, and I've just been doing the glamorous bit of cleaning the loo. I obviously clean it when we get home, but I give it a new clean because it just gets stored outside the loo. That took a while longer than anticipated, but we're ready.
Because with the lights off.
We'll be doing